everyone, so this is my new tumble dryer. So we've unpacked it and ready to use. So the brand name is LOGIK and this is the model number and this is the description. And then you have a little tray here and this is where the water gets stored, and then you just throw the water away. And then you have a little, and then this is 8 kg. It's a good size, a decent size. So this is the first time I'll be using this tumble dryer. So once I dry my clothes, I'll let you know whether this is a good buy or not. So now I have a bowl of washed clothes and I'll put it in the tumble dryer. So I will do 20 minutes since it's my first time and I don't really know how it's gonna come out. So there you go, it's on for 20 minutes. If it's not properly dried, I'll put it on for another 20 minutes. We'll come back in 20 minutes and check. You can hear the sound. It's a little bit noisy, but it's not that loud, it's okay. Slightly noisier than the washing machine. Okay, so it's end of 20 minutes now and I will open my tumble dryer and check. So most of the clothes are still wet and I think if half of it is dry, so I think I need to dry it for another 20 minutes. So I had to change the setting. So last time I did 20 minutes and my clothes was not dry, they were wet, and then I had to change it to this cupboard dry, and let's see how it looks. So you can see the clothes are very dry. You can just basically fold it up and put it away. So there's the lip tops, they're all dry now. So I would definitely recommend you guys to get a tumble dryer, especially this one if you like. So far so good. So once again, the brand name, model number.